times when there's a change in the sea. I've seen the hard times and the pressure's been on me. Life is so strange when there's a change in the sea. I've seen the hard times and the pressure's been on me.
Like that. That's ridiculous. Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Hey! Okay. Ready.
Good.
Ah!
Still running.
Do you want me to turn it off? Oh, hello.
Okay, I have to show you what Tambi's up to. It might be a great idea, I don't know. Tambi has constructed a redneck solar oven using tinfoil and a Ziploc bag. What do you think, Tambi?
I don't know, just experiment, trying to save some propane and just thought I'd try it out.
Yeah, okay.
Don't forget a fishing pole.
Yeah, that's my weight to hold it down.
Oh, okay, the fishing pole has a purpose.
Yeah.
Okay, that's to hold it down. Okay, well, cool. Well, we'll see how it goes. All right, trying something new here. We have the redneck solar oven behind the Dodger, protected from the wind, allowing the sun rays in, bouncing off the foil onto the fries. The Ziploc bag was probably there to collect the heat, right? Is that how solar oven physics work?
I guess so, that's the idea.
Yeah, okay, all right. Boy, I can already smell the redneck.
It's gonna be delicious.
What are you doing, Molly?
I'm trying to decide if I want to put one of these in.
Yeah.
Because...
Is there anything else you're getting out of there?
Yes.
What?
Mommy and Daddy's things.
Mommy and Daddy's what? Come on.
Beers.
Beers?
Mm-hmm.
And what are you gonna do with them?
Put them in the fridge.
That's my girl!
Raise them right.
Oh, man. I don't know if I like this or not.
Yeah. We're not really those kind of people.
No, not at all. But it is kind of funny still.
Yeah.
Oh, well, carry on, Molly. We're not going to have cold beer like that. All All right, let's try these, Tambi. They're actually quite warm. Huh. You know, Tambi, they warmed up a good bit. They are reminiscent of, I think, French fries that were warmed in a Ziploc bag. Well, they are indeed warmer.
And they are better than they were directly out of the refrigerator.
Yeah. Huh. So I would call this a moderate success. What do you think?
Yeah. They're edible.
Those came out of the fridge?
Yeah.
Wow, they're definitely not cold.
Maybe some ketchup?
Yeah. I would say they're approximately 98.7 degrees.
98.7.
Nice job, Debbie.
Thanks.
Hey. Hey, big jerk. Hey. Hey, big dumb jerk. Get off my dinghy. Or at the very least, turn around. Hey, stop that.
You didn't poop in your dinghy?
Oh, yeah. Let's see how you like this, Mr. Corbett. Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Hi.
I want a picture of him before.
Oh, he's coming close. Oh. Yeah, swim off. Get out of here. He didn't poop in it, did he? Looks pretty clean. That's what I thought.
But it is white.
We're still at Peck Lake. And it is a little bit breezy right now. Blowing like maybe 20 knots with 25 to 30 knot gusts maybe. It's supposed to be raining here in a little bit. And we're just doing, or I'm doing some little projects today. Molly and Tambi are
hanging out.
Hanging. I'm installing one of these hammock things. One project complete. There is the bathroom hammock with the towels in it. And now I'm going to do another little mini project up here. I have what is called a splash curtain. I'm going to be putting it over the instrument panel. Observe. Okay, and that is the splash curtain. Its purpose is just to keep the fuse panel here from getting wet. You know, it's not an ideal location in this boat, being right beneath the companionway, and I just like the idea of being able to just drape something over it and cover it up. Mainly, actually, for when we are washing dishes. You know, we haven't had much trouble with water coming in from the cockpit, but it does occasionally kind of get a splash in that direction from the faucet. So I can just kind of roll up and clip the curtain out of the way with a clothespin like that, if we want it out of the way. Obviously the big downside about the curtain is you can't see what breakers are on, but yeah, it is what it is.
Strange when there's a change in the sea. Well, I've seen the hard times and the pressure's been on me. Life is so strange when there's a change in the sea. Well, I've seen the hard times and the pressure's been
Yeah, push it over nice and slow. Okay, move your body, leave the tiller way over. Leave it like hard over. Okay, now I'll be grabbing the tiller and straightening it out.
I don't know how to.
Like way back over this way now.
I don't know how to get switch my arms during that.
Touching that. Okay, you ready? Nice, just kind of a nice smooth movement. Okay, just like that. Now twist your body forward. Exchange your sheet hand first. Okay, now let's try doing this tack again. Okay, just whenever you're ready. Tack. That way.
You ready?
Yep. Push it all the way over, kind of a smooth. Push it all the way. Leave it there. Leave it where it's at. Swap your sheet hand.
That was much easier.
And then reach over and grab it. Nice, easy. Good. Okay, now aim towards the nose of our boat. Just kind of turn the boat up. We're going to face it just in front of the boarding ladder, right there. And then put the tiller over. Just like that. Okay, go for it. Yep. Nice job, babe. Proud of you. Tambi's first dinghy sailing lesson. A success.